Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, please do subscribe to my channel. It is free, and if you are a returning viewer and you have not yet subscribed, subscribe, okay? Subscribe, just click the subscribe button and let's get straight into this video. So this video is all about hair. I ordered hair online for the very first time and I used AliExpress. I basically just downloaded the app and started looking at all the hair vendors on there. I already had an idea of what I wanted. I wanted curls, so I was just comparing prices and looking at reviews. The vendor that I eventually went for is Ably Official Store because I saw they had a lot of realistic reviews with people posting their pictures after they had received the hair, so I was comfortable. I got the hair for 2,000 rands, which was within my budget. And when you look at like normal stores, I was saving about 1,000 rands because it's usually like 3,000 rands for 22-inch wig of curls. This is what the hair comes in, and I have already opened it. It says 22 inches right there, and I won't lie, when I did see it, I had braids on. I had braids on when I got this wig. It arrived in 2 weeks, but we were in lockdown, so I didn't actually get to see the hair until about 2 months later, but they did deliver on time. In fact, they delivered earlier. I think it must have been like 10 days as opposed to the 14 that was initially ascribed. So it comes with 2 wig caps and some eyelashes, which I can't wait to use. And this is what the hair looks like. I was so worried about like the length, and also just I felt like it was not voluminous enough. I felt like it was like 2 bundles. It still looks like 2 bundles, but when I fluff it out and like comb my fingers through the hair, it actually has like a bit of a heavier, fuller look. So I'm just gonna see what it looks like when it's ready and done. It's a full frontal lace wig. Okay, so I actually decided to come on here and show you guys the hair before I do all that extra stuff and possibly ruin it, because I don't know anything about bleaching knots, none of that. So this is what the hair looks like. I was worried about this length. I'm like, it says 22 inches, but is this what 22 inches of curls are supposed to look like? Like, let me know. Like, let me know. Did I get ripped off or what? When I tell you guys I don't know what the hell I'm doing, I've never done this whole bleaching knots thing before, but I watched a video by SniMhlongo and hopefully I remember what needs to be done. I got that kit from Clicks. I've got this comb here. I've got the bleaching powder. There is this cream and some sort of like shower cap. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that one side, and I've got gloves. So I realized I don't have an empty can of nothing, so I'm just DIY to get an empty thingamabob. So Sni used a refill kit. I used the whole highlight kit. I really didn't pay attention at the store, so I'm gonna use half of this. So it's supposed to have a toothpaste consistency, and I think I've got that going here for myself, so that's good. Guys, I'm so scared. Like, I've literally never done this before. When I say never, I mean never ever. I'm gonna leave it here for 30 minutes. I'm gonna begin to wash the hair now. These are the products that I'm using. I got these from Clegs at 120 for both. I have to be careful to wash it out straight down so that the bleach doesn't go on and start to bleach the actual hair. Although I did make some mistakes here and there, but it should be fine. Alright, so the bleach is now completely off. I'm gonna start washing the hair. The knots are bleached. I do see a difference. I really do. And the hair seems fine. It's not reacting to the shampoo or anything. Everything is good so far. I'm gonna condition. So when it comes to plucking, you just hold your tweezers and you basically pull the hair out to clear the path and make it look more, just like more visible. And it's good to pluck while the hair is wet. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys the results from plucking. I've plucked the middle part. I'm not going to pluck the side until I'm styling the hair that way, just so I know how I want it to sit. Then I will pluck it, but for now this is how I'm going to leave it. The hair is still wet. I'm still worried about the bundles where I feel like it's 2 bundles. So my advice is, when you are buying the hair, just check with the vendor if it's 2 bundles or 3 bundles within the wig, because this is definitely 2 bundles. Like, there is no way. There is absolutely no way, but I'm not complaining because it was quite affordable and I'm happy with the quality of the hair more than anything. So yeah, if you are still watching this far, give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it and you are learning some things. Okay, I think I did a good job. And you should be careful not to cut the hair too straight. You should just try to like tear it. Don't really cut, because you're gonna get a straight line and it's gonna look weird. Try to do a zigzag type of thing. The hair looks good. It looks full. I'm very happy. Okay, I panicked. It looks good. Alrighty, let's get to laying edges. I'm not gonna do corners on my hair just because I feel like it's flat the way I've styled it right now, so I'm okay with that. I'm very happy with the way this hair looks. Like, I'm literally obsessed right now. Like, it looks so good. Well done, Ably Hair Shame. Well done. Let's see what this is like now. Ooh, I think it's stuck. It's still a bit tacky on this side. Oh no, man. I'm supposed to use a hairdryer. It's definitely working. It's working. Alright guys, so this is the best I can do for now in terms of laying my edges. I will get better. Hopefully the next video I do, I will be slaying the edges, but right now I think it was an epic fail. But yeah, this is the hair. I'm very happy with the texture, with the volume actually that I was complaining about at first. After brushing my fingers through the hair, it looks good. And that brings me to the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.